Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video of mine. Thank you. Today I've got Audi A4 B8.5 and I'm going to be removing this MMI screen, this multimedia unit. I'm going to be showing you where the fuses are for this multimedia unit, and I'm going to be also taking out main brain over here. Just going to be showing you guys how to remove it the easiest way if you're going to swap it, replace it if it's damaged. So hopefully this video should be useful for you guys, so please watch. First thing we're going to do is be taking out the screen, so I'm going to show you how to remove the screen. So what we want to do is basically take away this cover here. This one's black, it may be some are silver, so basically we just want to remove this trim. Unlike the B9 where it was just there, this one here we have to remove this trim for starters. So we're going to be starting off by removing, prying up here, getting away this slowly, just flicking it upwards. Keep coming around this way. I've already removed this side a little, and then lift upwards there, and over here, and it should come away. So now look at this, take out this sensor wire here, this little tab there. So let's get this out of the way. We got 4 T20s for the screen, so if you was going to replace this, if you got a smaller screen and you wanted a bigger screen or add Android Play or something like that, this is how you'd remove the screen. You got this wire here that you just press that down and that pries away, and you clip in there with them two there and wiggle it till it comes loose. Next guys, what we want to do is remove this multimedia unit. So what we need to do is put it into neutral. Now to remove this multimedia unit, what you need to do is put a key through here and a key through that one there. The keys you need are these sort here. You could get these on eBay for a couple of quid. So one will go in here till you hear it click, and then another one would go into this side here, and you put it at an angle till you hear it click. Just need to pull on it like that. Make sure your parking's in neutral, and then you just pull it out, and there's a few wires at the back here. One there, one there, one there. And there's a big one over here as well. So that will remove the MMI. And then what you do with your keys, these ones, you just pull them out like that, and that's how you remove that multimedia. If you wanted to install Apple Play or something like that, that's how you take this out. And now sometimes you get issues with this as well, so these are common to go as well, your nav buttons or whichever buttons here. So remove this unit here, this heater panel. So to remove that, simply you just go in there, flick each side, and it should come out. You've got better access to lift it over that. That's why I've taken this off. So with this unit here, what you need to do to take this off, you need to pry in there, and then slowly with another one just squeeze it along, or if you could get a screwdriver, just flick it up. But it's better to use these picks, but I've only got one, so Let's go around slowly till it flicks up each corner. And then let's go around and it will come up like that. And once that's the way, you could access this MMI unit, which I'm going to show you now. So there was a sensor there, down here, one up here where my finger is, and another one up there. So to remove this gear Gaitor, what you need to do, just twist it. You don't even need to press it. So it's not moving, right? Move this to the right and then straight up. If you look here, we could access this. It's one unit, so you might need to swap this whole thing, so that's how you'd swap this anyway. How you take this off anyway, guys. So another part is you come to the back of the boot and you remove this trim here, this other clip there. Just move that out of the way, and basically you've got a unit that controls the whole MMI, the whole unit in there. So to get to that, it's got 10mm there, 10mm there, and we see what happens next. That's all lifting away now. Okay, we've got a bunch of wires, so here we go. This is what we need. One there. Flick that out there. Flick that one out there. And this one here, just got to press in. And that's that. A few clips over here. Out the way. And one more there. And that will come away. So how we get this out is basically it's got a tab there and a tab on this side. The tab on this side, you need to press that in and push forward, and then you need to go do that for this side as well. And then it'll come out like that. It's a very important unit and it's very common as well. So this controls your MMI. This trim that we've just pulled out now from the back of the boot on the left side, this is basically the Bluetooth module and controls the interface as well. So it's like the main hard drive or the Bluetooth drive. That's how you get to it anyway. So now a few other tips I want to show you guys. Basically, your fuse box for your interface, everything is on this side here. So if you're in the UK and your fuses are there, and also a few other places you may want to look, a few fuses around this area here. So on the right hand side at the back. So that's where the fuses are if you're going to play around with it. That's just the parking brake, and that's your comfort module and the B8.5. Thank you guys for joining me on this video removing this MMI from our Audi A4 B8.5. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.